Hello everybody, this is your friendly neighbor Ajay, back to you with a Presearch node tutorial. Today we will go through the steps of creating a Presearch node on RackNerd. The steps are fairly simple. You're going to have a Presearch node account. Then you're going to purchase your VPS from RackNerd, and then you will be running a script through Putty. We're going to be going through these steps fairly slow, so feel free to pause at any point in the tutorial. So we're going to right click on RackNerd, go to RackNerd, and now we're going to look to purchase a VPS, and it's going to be in the location of New York, and it's going to be Ubuntu. Now click on continue, and now it's going to lead you to checkout. What we want to do now is just quickly click to checkout. And then we are going to either pay through PayPal or credit card. I'm going to choose credit card because I already listed my credit card prior, but you can do PayPal. Just going to complete my order. This could take a few minutes. Sometimes it takes a second to process. We can now see that the order has been completed. So at this point, we are going to jump into Gmail. Now we are going to be getting the login information. In this section, all we're going to be needing is that IP address, the username, and the root password to put into Putty. We are now going to go back to the Presearch documentation, and now we're going to click on Putty, and it's going to take us to download Putty. I'm going to click on here, and afterwards I'm going to download the Windows installer for myself. Once I do this, what I'm going to be doing is using the application for Putty to finish the installation. At this stage, we're going to be using the application Putty. We're going to enter in the IP address, and then a window will open up. Within the window, once it loads, we're going to click on accept. Afterward, we're going to type in root, and we are going to copy and paste the password. Once we copy this password, we are going to right click into that window to copy the password. We're going to click enter. It shows that we have been successful. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go back into Presearch documentation and find the script. Now, from the documentation page, we're going to go to Setup Nodes through VPS, Node Setup Instructions. We're going to scroll down until we find the script. We're going to copy this, and we're going to be replacing your registration code here. I am now going to go into Google Drive, create a Word document, and from there I'm just going to house my Presearch script there so I can use it anytime I want to in case I'm looking to make more nodes. So all I'm going to be doing now is looking to replace my registration code, which you can find in Presearch. So I'm going to go into Presearch. I am going to navigate into nodes. Click on Node Explorer. From here, we will be grabbing the node registration code. And we are going to look to replace your registration code here. Now, I was already prepared, so I actually already have this. So what I'm going to do is go into Putty and enter in that script. So I'm going to right click again, click on enter, And if you see the P, you have done everything successfully and you have a Presearch node running. So now that we see the P, we know that the node exists. So we're going to go into Presearch shortly and check if we can see it. Now, I'm just going to click on refresh, and now you can see that it does exist. Thank you for watching my tutorial on Presearch Node for RackNerd. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.